and then it turned into or went off Chris Horny into this Matloka Road. Then it joined Mujaji.
Yes.
There's the Mujaji we're looking for.
Mujaji, yeah, correct.
It turned into Mujaji. From Mujaji, it then turned again into Mondoni Street.
Utnayo lea ndlela lebo libelo ukhuluma ngayo eMujaji kula indle imoto yayikade ihamba eMahloka futhi yangena ke eMujaji yabuya yangena kulo munye umgwaqo uMakhodla.
Okay, sorry. So before I conclude my cross-examination, there's an aspect that I just want to confirm with you through a reference to evidence of one of the witnesses of the court, state witnesses, about the event of the 24th of June 2020 at Boksburg Court. At Boksburg Court. Okay? Your evidence is that the motor vehicle was motionless on the 24th of June 2020.
That is correct, my lord.
Uthi ke iqiniso ubufakazi bami ngishilo ukuthi nge24 zika June leya moto yayikade ingahambi.
It reflects on the tracking records of that vehicle, my lord, that on the 22nd, the 23rd and the 24th that vehicle was in Benoni.
Iyabonisa futhi nokuthi le moto le i-Toyota Fortuner nge-22, 23 nange-24 zika June kunyaka 2020 yayikade ise-Benoni.
My lord, may I refer a witness to page 64 of the transcribed records, my lord?
Yes.
Sorry. Please read it out for me. Page 64 is open.
Page 64?
Yeah.
Which part?
From the top
Mrs. Mosolo, okay, in which car was the accused conveyed on the day when you took him to the Boksburg Magistrate Court? Interpreter, can you please repeat the question? I lost that last part. Mrs. Mosolo, yes, Boksburg Magistrate Court, to and from. Mr. Jonathan, in the fortune of the investigating officer, Sergeant Mokhane. Mrs. Mosolo, on the 24th of June, when did you knock on duty? Knock on duty?
Yes.
Manje ke uthi awusifundele lephepha ekuthi izinto zakhona izinto ebezikade zikhulunywa nazi sezithayipiwe uyabuzwa ke uMrs. Mshololo. Apologies, I'm now reading it in English. My apologies, Miss Mshololo. Uyabuza uMrs. Mshololo ukuthi uhanjiswe ngayiphi imoto umangalelwa ubuya enkantolo Boksburg. Utoliki wabuza ukuthi ngicela uphinde loyo mbuzo angizwanga le ndawo yokugcina. Uyaphinda ke uMamshololo ukuthi yebo eBoksburg Magistrate Court ukuya nokubuya. Bese uMr Jonathan yena wathi uhanjiswe ngeToyota ngeFortuner le eyaka phoyisa leli eliphenyayo uSergeant Mukhali.
Thank you, Madam. My Lord, I don't have further questions.
Hello?
I don't have further questions.
Okay, thanks. Yes, Mr. Balui?
Just three aspects, my lord. Mr. Dupree, counsel for accused number 5, Mr. Munyeki, asked you about the times on the 19th of June 2020 when the vehicle departed Pretoria North Police Station, namely 2 minutes 05:02:10 on the 19th of June 2020.
Yes, my lord.
Ubuzile ke ummeli kaMangalelwa wesihlanu ngale moto njengoba yayikade ihamba ke nge-19 zika June ngosikhathi i-05:02.
He also referred you to the time of arrival at Morocco Police Station, still on the 19th of June 2020 at 06:46 and 28 seconds.
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo wangibuza futhi nangesikhathi esifike ngaso eMorocco bekade ku 46 minutes after u6.
What was thus the traveling time between the 2 points?
My lord, about an hour and 44 minutes.
Uthi isikhathi imoto isihambile lapho kungalingana nehora mhlawumbe nemizuzu emashumi amane nesithupha.
Would the GPS also be able to give an estimated traveling time between the 2 points?
My lord, this GPS in this vehicle is not. If we refer to a GPS in a car like we consumers use it, yes, but this one is not a, it's a functionality, it's a receiver, it's not a display type that we have. But yes, a vehicle a GPS would be able to tell you your estimated time of travel given road conditions.
Manje ke iGPS uma seyikuthi ingasetshenziswa ukubheka isikhathi ukusuka ngaleli yalanga ngaleso sikhathi ukuyofika lapha yana esiphoyiseni ingakwazi ukuthi ibonise isikhathi na uthi le ebekade isetshenziswa la akusiyona le ekwazi ukubonisa isikhathi kodwa iGPS ejwayelekile nje ingahle ikubonise isikhathi.
I mean, if you calculate it now, will you be able to get the estimated traveling time?
Now, if we have a GPS,
Or on the same route?
if we have a GPS, we will be able to calculate it, but not now where I'm standing here.
Uthi uma engabe singayithola iGPS singakwazi ukuthi siyibale imizuzu nehora namahora kodwa la ngime khona ngeke sikwazi ukuthi siyibale.
Then, counsel for accused number 5, counsel for accused number 1 and 2, still on the 19th of June 2020, questioned you about the GPS unlock at 15:45 and 15 minutes, this near the old Potchefstroom Road. 15:48 and 15 seconds.
Yes, my lord.
Ummeli kaMangalelwa wokuqala uye wakubuza ngale GPS unlocked ebekade silaphayana emgaqweni i-old Potchefstroom Road uthi yebo.
Just before the car went into a GPS unlock mode, on the 19th of June 2020 at 15:43 and 15 seconds, we see that it was traveling, the speed thereof is 15 kilometers per hour.
That is correct, my lord.
uthi uma sibheka kahle lapho ibonisa ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi ifike kulento ye GPS unlocked yona imoto yayikade ihamba ngesivinini seka 15 ispeed sakhona yayihamba nge15 uthi yebo.
Then it goes into GPS unlock mode from 1548 until 1558 and 15 seconds. Thereafter, we see that it's recording a speed of 13 kilometers per hour.
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi ke ibese iya ingena ku GPS unlocked bese ke yona uma seyizoqhamuka seyikuthi ihamba ngespeed sika 13
And thereafter, 3 kilometers per hour.
Correct, my lord.
ngemva kwalokho yabonisa ke seyihamba ngespeed sika 3
Before it picks up speed to 54 kilometers per hour.
That's correct, my lord.
ngaphambi kokuthi ikhuphuleke ispeed sibe ku 54.
Now, those speeds, 15 kilometers per hour, 13 kilometers per hour, and 3 kilometers per hour, is it in any case indicative of the traffic conditions at the time?
My lord, like you referred earlier, you said it's one of the busiest streets in Soweto. Therefore, it could be, going by your judgment, that it could be.
Yabuza ke manje uba ubhaloye ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi lesi speed njengoba ibonisa u15 u13 u3 mhlawumbe ingahle ibonise ukuthi kade kune traffic uthi njengoba inkosi enkantolo bese seyishilo ngaphambilini ukuthi lewa umgaqo ukuthi une speed kakhulu kungenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe kade kune traffic.
Is it possible to calculate the distance before the car went into a GPS unlock mode? That is now between 1543 and 15 seconds. And when this car started recording speed again at 1603 and 15 seconds, is it possible to calculate the distance covered during that period when the car went into GPS unlock mode?
My lord, yes, the system would allow me to calculate it as such. But just looking at the odometer, I would look at it, it's plus minus a kilometer, but allow me a moment to measure it.
Uthi-ke ungakwazi ukusibonelisela ukuthi imoto leyana yona ibekade ihambe isikhathi esingakanani noma indawo engakanani uthi uma ngiyibheka la ngingakwazi ukuthi ngiyenze ngemva kokuthi sengithole isikhathi.
My lord, it is in fact very, very close to a kilometer. Just roughly measuring it, it's 938 meters by rough calculation. So the odometer of the tracking system reporting it as a kilometer would then be a fair distance to report as a kilometer, my lord.
Uthi-ke ingaphansi nje kwekilometer le ndawo ukuthi imoto ihambile njengoba yayikade yenze leya GPS unlocked.
Now, given that distance and the speeds that you've just referred to, 3 kilometers, 15 kilometers, what would your comment be regarding distance and the speed?
My lord, obviously the vehicle speed indicative of something in the road making it travel at slow speeds.
Uthi-ke makubheka ispeed lesi moto yayikade ihamba ngaso yena ubona ukuthi kunento ebekade ivikela ukuthi imoto igcine seyihamba ngalesi speed.
Thank you, my lord.
Thanks. Okay, thanks ever so much.
It's a pleasure, my lord.
Thanks. Enige verwantskap met die legendarische Freek de Prix?
Ongelukkig nie.
Yeah, despite. Because when I started following him and Johnny Engelbrecht and the others in the WPC, he was my favorite player.
Men of age.
You don't play rugby, do you?
My lord, it will break me.
I'm looking at your body. You can't take the knocks.
No, I've had enough not to laugh.
Okay. Thanks ever so much.
Thanks, Molot.
ekugcineni ke uqedile ungoti ngobufakazi bakhe inkantolo
Yes, Mr. Baloyi.
inkantolo izekhuluma nangezinye
We then
nje ezera
adjourn until Monday
Monday.
for the continuation of the
Okay. Let's adjourn.